Hello, I'm Price Anderson, sales representative with Bose & Cox Limited Brokerage here in beautiful downtown Peterborough. Welcome to the open house edition of Let's Talk Real Estate for a Minute. This weekend we've got some great open houses that are being hosted by your local Bose & Cox team. So for this weekend, we have 663 Chamberlain Street in Peterborough at 389.9. This beautiful home is in an excellent central location in walking distance to all amenities. Enjoy the feeling of wide open spaces and views of the Turner Park, which is right next door. You will be impressed. This home is open Saturday from 1 to 2:30 and again on Sunday from 1 to 2:30. 640 Gilmore Street, Peterborough at 379.9. You're going to love this renovated bungalow in Peterborough's prime west end. Many fantastic updates, including 2 renovated baths, replacement windows, open concept kitchen, and so much more. Come on out and see this on Sunday from 1 to 2:30. 16 Eldon Court, Peterborough at 575 is a meticulously maintained home in a desirable neighborhood. It's located on a cul-de-sac, and this home boasts a spacious main floor with dining room, living room, gas fireplace, walkout to balcony, a large kitchen, powder room, and laundry. So much more to discover in this house. Open Saturday from 1 to 3 and Sunday again from 1 to 3. 105 Milroy Drive in Peterborough at 525. This is a 3+2 bedroom home, and it has everything you want. Bright open concept, living dining room, kitchen with gas fireplace, hardwood floors, there's a walkout to a large deck, and a fenced yard. It's got 3 large bedrooms, with the master bedroom offering a walk-in closet and an ensuite. Come out and see this Saturday from 1 to 3 and Sunday from 1 to 3. 1323 Tamarack Lake Road at 599, located in Haliburton County, is a stunningly private 101 acres property with custom brick home featuring everything from hardwood forests to hiking and ATV trails. It's got 3 picturesque ponds with an abundance of wildlife to enjoy. This impressive residence with pristine hardwood flooring, stone fireplaces, massive master bedroom, walking out to a family room overlooking the main floor will not disappoint you. Come on out Sunday, take a little drive, see this property from 1 to 3. Come on out and take a look at these properties. Let me know what your thoughts are. Leave some comments below, and I'll put the links to maps and information on the properties in the comments. Thanks for looking. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.